Himachal Pradesh is among the most visited top mountain tourist places in North India. It gives you rich memories that last for a lifetime. Its landscape has a lot to do with it. The valleys, mountain, ancient monasteries, historical sites, lakes, mountain passes, a Himachal Pradesh tour satisfied the wanderlust in you, whatever it is you may be looking for. The state has so much to offer. No wonder it's a top tourist attraction in North India. Hello everyone, this is Shongeta and welcome to my channel. Today we are in Himachal Pradesh and this is our last day in Himachal Pradesh. Right now we are in Dalhousie. So first of all we are taking our breakfast and heading towards the Dalhousie from the Dharmashala. Dalhousie is surrounded by pine-clad mountain and spectacular views. Dalhousie is a gem of hill station in India. Located in western Himachal Pradesh, it has a quiet and laid-back atmosphere. The scenery is very vivid with flowering rhododendrons and dense forest filled with pines, oaks and deodar. The town was established by British as a summer retreat for their officials. Dalhousie is dotted with beautiful buildings sporting colonial architecture reminiscent of British era such as St. Francis Church, St. Patrick Church and St. Andrew's Church with serene environment and majestic snow-capped mountains. Dalhousie refreshes your senses. Subhash Baoli is a quiet sanctuary surrounded by towering trees named after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who spent a lot of time here in meditation. Get a glimpses of life in the jungle at Kalatop Wildlife Sanctuary. Take an adventurous trek to the top of the picturesque Daikon Peak. Get a few souvenirs from the Tibetan market to commemorate the trip to the Dalhousie. Khajur is a hill station in North Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Dating from the 12th century, Khajinath temple is dedicated to a serpent god. Nearby, the high-altitude Khajia lake is surrounded by cedar forest. West, Kalatop Wildlife Sanctuary is home to the animals including deer and bears. Further to west, Dalhousie is a hill station with mountain views, dotted with temples and 19th century British churches. Khajur is situated in Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, located approximately 24 km from the Dalhousie. It is not difficult to understand why Khajur is often referred to as the mini Switzerland of India. The wide grassy areas that meet dense forest of deodar and the cedar forest with cottages dotting them at occasional intervals lend them an appearance similar to the Swiss countryside. If you have seen similar landscape in movies and magazines and wished there was a such place closer to home, well, here it is. You can choose to drive during your trip to Khajur, but you would be missing a lot of fun than if you were trekking from the Chamba. The beauty that marks the route is well worth the time and efforts. Khajur is very famous for Khajinath temple, which is in close proximity to the famous Khajur Lake. The temple stands decked with a golden dome and spire due to which it is known as Golden Devi Temple. It dates back to the 12th century AD, stream dedicated to the Naga, the Lord of Serpents, and you will always find numerous idols of snakes at this place. The Khajur Lake is a popular tourist spot of Khajur where people can enjoy numerous recreational activities or can enjoy the beauty of the landscape. The site is perfect to spend some moments of solitude far away from the hustle and bustle of the modern crowd. It offers peace and tranquility to the visitors. After visiting the Khajur, we are heading towards the Kalatop Sanctuary. The Kalatop Khajur Sanctuary, with dense deodar and thick forest spreading over 19.63 square kilometers. The Kalatop Khajur Sanctuary is a 30.69 square kilometer animal sanctuary located at Kalatop and Khajur in the Chamba district of the Himachal Pradesh. It is situated at a distance of 6 km from the Dalhousie. It lies in the initiary of Ravi River and is encircled by coniferous and oak forest. The flora in the sanctuary includes cedar and blue pine, oaks like moru and ban, deodar, trees, rhododendron, firs, and many more. It is also popular for medicinal plants and herbs. The wilderness is confirmed with a huge variety of Indian wildlife, including some of the endangered species of flora and fauna. In the middle of the sanctuary, you will find a lake offering splendid views of sceneries. The sanctuary boasts a huge variety of wildlife like bear, Himalayan black marten, leopard, deer, barking goral, squirrel, jackal, langur, Himalayan squirrel, Mount Jack, etc. This sanctuary is known for preserving the native Himalayan serow. Birds like black-headed jay, chestnut-billed rock thrush, black-headed jay, grey-headed canary, flycatcher, etc. are also found here. The sanctuary has a perfect route for trekking from Dalhousie to Kalatop, and this is extremely admired by the tourists. Jungle safari and hiking are other interesting ways to explore the wildlife. Summer season is the best time to visit this sanctuary. Subhash Bawali is located at a distance of 1 kilometer from Dalhousie is the spectacular view of Subhash Bawali. The place has been known by the Subhash Chandra Bose, the famous freedom fighter, had spent many times in this zone in 1937. Subhash Bawali is a charismatic spot among huge towering pine trees, which makes this place more beautiful with their presence. The natural side views of the place makes this one of the most famous tourist spots in Dalhousie. Beges Park is situated on the way to the Khajir from the Dalhousie. The park is made by the Indian Army, pays a rich tribute to the martyrs and their mothers who sacrificed a lot and sent their beloved son at the border. This park displays the model of where airplanes, jeeps and warships. Everyone including children, young and senior citizens love to enjoy and clicking pics. The entry fees of this park is totally free of cost. The Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Sulin Lamba inaugurated Beges Park in the premises of Dalhousie Public School, which is located in Chamba district of the Himachal Pradesh. It was built in 2016. Director Principal of the school, Captain G.S. Dhillon, who himself belongs to Para Special Force of Indian Army, informed that Beges Park was a tribute to the all mothers. This park has a MiG-21 fighter aircraft, 2 surface-to-air Pichora missiles, 80-55 battle tank, a model of Shivalik frigate, and many other such items of interest.
ਜਿੱਤੇ ਤੇ ਮਿਲਣ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਕਿ ਆਇਆ ਹੈ ਫਤਿਹ ਕਰਕੇ ਸੂਰਮਾ सूरमा गमाने है जम्मिया एक सूरमा 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 सूरमा
The last couple of days we spent in Himachal Pradesh, and now it's time to leave the place, leave the heaven, with some memories which last forever. So, the next morning, we leave the Dalhousie and heading towards the Delhi. In the evening, we reach the Delhi, and this is our hotel. And finally, we return home.